Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Wajid Law Tips USA. Marriage is legal state in which two people are joining in the eyes of the law. It normally involves a couple obtaining a marriage license and then exchanging vows in a ceremony performed by a sanctioned official. When a couple gets married, they gain several rights including creation, favored tax status, the ability to make decision if their spouses are, and property rights. For hundreds of years, the rights to marry was accorded only to heterosexual couple in 1996. Congress passed the Defense of Marriage Act or DOMA which prohibited marriage between people of same gender. However, in 2030, the US Supreme Court ruled that DOMA violated the Fifth attempted, and some states then passed law allowing same-sex couples to marry as well. Each state has its own requirements for obtaining marriage license and the people who are allowed to effective. Creating types of marriage are prohibited as they are against public policy. The landscape of marriage changed in June 2015 in the Supreme Court ruling. The court held that prohibiting marriage between couples on this basis of their genders was this decision effectively overturned all prohibiting against same-sex marriage, granting many people the right to marry for the first time. Some states will rec- recognize unions between couples who do not get a license or go through a marriage ceremony. This is called a common law marriage in those states that do recognize this state. Common law spouses enjoy the same rights as spouses in other marriages. If their relationship dissolves, a couple in a common law marriage will likely have to go through a divorce or dissolution procedure. Most states that do recognize common law marriage hold similar requirements for couples. Both people must meet the state age of consent. Neither person can already be married. Both individuals must be of sound mind. The couple must live together. Before marrying, some couple choose the enter to principal agreements concerning their property rights and duties during their marriage. Topics covered in a principal agreement might include how finance will be handled during the marriage, how property will be split during a divorce, who is responsible for what debts, how property will be passed down if a spouse dies, how to settle any future disagreements. It is important to note, however, that there are some topics that a agreement cannot include. Rule about any such a choice relationship with in-law agreements about last names or child custody cannot be included in preference. Couples who have already married can consider drafting a possible agreement. Similar topic to those in the agreements it can. Thanks for